Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Welcome to Pillow Talk with the Mattress King. Today I'm going to talk about what is the difference between the Sealy Hybrid Trust and the Sealy Hybrid Kelburn. Now unfortunately I don't have the Trust on my floor right now, but there are a few major differences between the two besides the price. As you know, the Trust comes at a very affordable price point and sometimes can be as low as $9.99 during promotion, but it kind of fluctuates. But the major difference is going to be that the Trust has no memory foam. Memory foam is a pretty important deal as far as comfort when you're going to sleep at night. That's going to be the big difference. It's going to kind of absorb you. The Kelburn actually has memory foam, and it actually has a chill feature. The chill feature helps with cooling, so if you sleep hot at night or if you even sleep cool at night, but ultimately it will help you with sleeping cooler if you're a hot sleeper. So the major difference between the price is going to be the Trust only has foam, the Kelburn has memory foam, and then at the bottom, the support layer, there's a major difference. So the Trust has 990 coils, the Kelburn has 1,000 coils. Now it doesn't sound like a lot, it's only 10 coils, but the biggest difference is it's zoned. So this guy right here has a Posturepedic technology right down the center where it's giving you more support in your center third. As the Trust goes, it's not zoned, so it doesn't have that Posturepedic technology. That's a big difference because Posturepedic, as you know, or if you've done your research, you'll know that that center third is very important for the support in your center third, where you carry most of your weight, giving you back support. So if you're wanting to spend a couple extra bucks, my recommendation, if you're between the two models, I go Kelburn, especially if you're a hot sleeper, and if you want something that's a little longer lasting. That's the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.